folks, welcome back to another lesson. Going out for all these lovely patrons, we have Weenie Beenie by Foo Fighters. Very cool tune. There's only about 3 riffs in it, so this shouldn't take long. But tuning, you need to drop your low E down to C, and your A string needs to go down to G. So you would have... and then the rest are standard. Really nice tuning. Now for tone, I'm going with the small speaker overdrive pedal from Great Eastern Effects. Dave used like this weird battery powered 80s, I think it's like a little tiny amp inside a plastic petrol can or jerry can, you know, the little red plastic ones. So, I mean, you could use a normal drive pedal, right? That's the 91. But the small speaker overdrive is going to give you that nastiness. You know, for all that stuff as well. It's not a super distorted tone, it's just a very brittle, broken up tone. So that's the tones. First riff goes like this. And around, okay? So to start the riff off, it's 1, 2, like that. So you've got 3 on the 10th fret, and then like that, okay? Then you're up here. And live, Dave plays, and then nothing else, right? Chris actually plays. He plays that bit live from what I've seen, but you can easily combine the two. Okay, so you've got a hammer on, another hammer on, and then this time, just that one note different. And then around again, okay? So the whole thing slowly. 1, 2. Like that, okay? You do that 6 times effectively, but on the 6th time there's a subtle variance because it goes into the kind of chorus part. So you'd have... you go to that 8th fret, okay, on the last 8th note. And I would use my 3rd fingers and 1st fingers here. Now, the next part then goes... and then back into the first riff. So it's just 4 bars worth, and you're basically playing... and then... but you're obviously barring the low 3 notes, okay, low 3 strings. Then you go round this riff twice. And again with that. A little slide there at the end. The last bar would be... it's just a slide on the last beat of that part. Then you're into the 3rd riff, which goes... like that. It goes around that 4 times, but again on the 4th time, a little turnaround goes. So that is cool. It's basically just a bunch of double stops, but you're going to play. Like that. So it's pretty straightforward, but it's quite quick. So you're palm muting these first 3. 5, 6, 7. Then you do another double stop, which isn't palm muted. like an accent, right? Then you walk it back down, but then you change position, and you do the same thing on the 3rd fret, with a little extra run at the end there because you went to the, the 3rd fret, an 8th note before the 2nd bar. So it's not that, it's like that. So slowly. So just get that into your head, and then the last time. And here, it's the same as that. But Dave does fret it here live, so I've tabbed it that way. And also, you're in that vicinity, aren't you? Those are all the parts you need. In terms of song structure, though, you just go back into this. 2 of those, then you go into that. You go right the way back to a repeat point that I've put in the tab and just repeat that entire section. Then you're into this part. This is subtly different. The riffs are the same, it's just the dynamics are slightly different. You're not going to be palm muting all of it. So you play. Now you do play that 4 times, but then you're going to go into a non-palm muted version, right? So the dynamics are going to come up. So the 4th time would be, you're going to start digging in there. So for that last bar, so, and then you go, play it alternate picking or down picking, whichever you like. You do that for another 4 times. The 4th time this time, though, is... You do that to get back into this riff. And then you do 2 of those. And then... that little turnaround again with the slide. Then the outro is that 7 times with no palm muting, and then the 8th time, and that is it. Hope you enjoyed it. See you again soon.